I know, it's socially weird. But I'm not being a creep. I'm basically reading your entire bio in one sniff.
Hi, I'm a pheromone. I live in these human glands. When Pothole sniffs here, I tell him your age, your gender, your mood, and even if you're feeling happy today.
I'm just trying to say hello. But he's gathering social information about whether I'm a friend or a stranger. It's his survival instinct.
I'm Iron Paws. I help Pothole stay socially sharp, supporting his brain and immune health so he stays calm and focused.
I know everything about you now. Let's be friends. Grab the superfood scoop at the link in bio.